Adding a hyperlink. A hyperlink is a connectivity tool designed to allow you to reach a specific site or web on the World Wide Web. You usually use this and see this as an underlined phrase on a web page that, once clicked, allows you to use an available internet connection to view the page or site that it links to. The simplest way to add a hyperlink is to type a word or a phrase you want to use as the link to the web page. For example, let's say I wanted to get to the virtual training company's website. I could type it in one of two ways. I could type in the actual URL for it, such as http www.vtc.com, and notice that that is automatically turned into a URL. Or I could just type words that will represent that hyperlink. So for example, let me type virtual training company. Now I want to go back and highlight the text that I used for this. So for example, this, and make this into a URL or a hyperlink. I can do that as well. So for example, I'm going to choose this. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select Insert Hyperlink. I could also right click and choose Hyperlink and get the same results. Or I could go to the Insert menu and choose Hyperlink. Or I could press Ctrl+K from my keyboard and get the same window I'll get when I do any of these other options. Now under Insert Hyperlink, the text to display is what will actually be shown in the worksheet itself, just as you would with typing a hyperlink into a Word document or an Excel PowerPoint presentation. So this is the text to display. And now I need to provide the address that will back up this particular phrase so that when I click on this phrase, it will automatically go to the website. So I look over here to link to and choose the most appropriate option. It can be an email address, it can be a document, or it can be an existing file or web page. And in this case, it's an existing web page. So we're going to click on existing file or web page. And now we're going to go down here and we're going to type in the address, http www.vtc.com. And now we're going to press OK. Notice that the text that I typed, the phrase virtual training company, is now a hyperlink. Notice that when I run my mouse cursor over it, it says click once to follow, click and hold to select this cell. So all I have to do is click it, and if I've got an available internet connection, it will load my web browser and it will automatically go to the virtual training company page based on the hyperlink that I added to this phrase. So this is an idea of how to use a hyperlink and add a hyperlink. Here's a big tip though. You always want to verify the actual address you're providing as a hyperlink to be sure that it works. From Excel, you can just click on the hyperlink to have your web browser open to check the page and make certain the URL is valid. You can also use an image inserted on your Excel worksheet to use as a link. And when clicked, it'll open and go to the website with an available internet connection, just as it will through a phrase or the actual URL typed into the page. To establish them, such a link with an image, you would click here, click Insert, click Picture, choose a file, and once the file is actually inserted, you would then select the image, right-click, and choose Hyperlink, and then go through the same process of setting up a hyperlink to go in the image that you did for doing it for the phrase here above. When you want to remove a hyperlink attached to an image in Excel, or remove another type of hyperlink, when you're doing it for an image, you would press the Control key on your keyboard as you click the image, and then just press the Delete key on your keyboard, and then the image that's backing up that hyperlink will remove the hyperlink from it.